Right now I am working to clean up a lot of the roof section, take off, kind of sand down some spots that need sanding, and then take off like any of the school bus stickers or emergency exit stickers, because we are about to paint the roof. There was a little school bus sticker right there that I just sanded off. And over here we had, I don't know if you can kind of see it a little bit, but we already took the heat gun to that emergency exit sticker and just peeled off. It came right off with the heat gun, so that was really nice. So now there's one right there and one back here also. So there was basically 3 of those on each side, and then this one on the back, and then there was also the school bus sticker right here, but we were able to just use the heat gun on that and just peel that bad boy off. So that was super easy. So now just gonna get this little last sticker and we should be good to go, at least start the kind of cleaning phase of the roof. I think I'm gonna do a quick walk around and just look at everything, make sure we're good, and then I'm pretty sure I can start washing everything down. Give it a nice scrub, do some masking, kind of some prep work, and then we should be good to paint. About as clean as it's gonna get, so I'm gonna start masking off the lights and kind of around the back where we don't want any of the paint, and then we should be on to the next step. So I think I got everything masked off that we do not want painted. So now time to crack open the Henry's Tropicool, stir it up a little bit, and make this happen. Here goes nothing. So far I've just gotten this rim painted. Kind of noticed that about 3 coats is probably gonna make it blend really well. So that's what I'm shooting for. But I'm gonna grab a quick bite to eat and then get back to it. But it's looking good, I'm pumped. Yeah, it's taking some time, but it's getting up there nice. Seems like it's gonna look all right. So yeah, eat some food and I will get back out here and getting to paint the rest of the rim as well as the top section. So I just came in, got some water, and now I'm just hanging out with the dogs. And I want to show you guys this because Binks is really cute whenever she's hungry. It's kind of around dinner time right now. Hey Binks, Binks, you want some food? Do you want some food? You want some food? Yeah? 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 Let's get you some. Dinner time. Feed the dogs, take a little break, and then get back to it. All right, so the dogs are fed. Took a little break, drank a little bit more coffee because I'm addicted to caffeine, and it's starting to get a little bit cooler out here, which is nice. It's not a ton cooler, but a little bit. The sun's starting to go down. So I'm gonna get back up on the roof and keep painting. right, well, Rachel just went to work. I think we pretty much got it all finished up. So right now I'm just kind of peeling off a lot of the masking tape, and yeah, it's definitely not perfect, but you know, we're not professionals. So yeah, there's definitely some, you know, drips here and there, and places that aren't, you know, just perfectly even or whatever, but it is what it is, and we're still honestly super pumped about it. We love the way it looks, and it definitely kind of just like cleans up the bus. But yeah, have a look. All right, guys, so I'm actually getting back to finally finishing the understorage doors. So we put up the understorage over the winter, so it's been, you know, a good probably 4 months, maybe even 5 months since we finished those. So yeah, I want to finally get to actually putting the doors on, getting it to where these are all sealed off from the weather, because Colorado's actually been getting some rain recently, which is really good. But also the understorage is filling up with water. So gonna get some doors on. First things first, I'm going to add some rivets kind of going along here just to kind of hold this piece of metal, and then I will get to actually building the doors. Cut all the wood, cut the back piece. This is what it's looking like so far. Not too bad. It's not all obviously down yet, but it's essentially what it's gonna look like. And then we got this idea from Meredith and Paco to then cut the same size piece of sheet metal, put that on the back, and then that'll just kind of firm it up a little bit. Right now I'm going to stain the wood. I'm just gonna start on one door just to kind of see how it works, and then seal it, and then probably tack it all with glue and finishing nails, and hopefully it all stays together. I just stained all of the wood, and while that is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and measure out and cut the sheet metal just with a grinder, and then, like I said, I'll put that on the back of all of the mounted wood. Just finished cutting the sheet metal. It's not totally done yet, but I need to get another grinder wheel before I do that, so I'll probably do that in the morning. But now I am just finishing up sealing all of the boards. I'm gonna seal every single side because it's gonna be getting a lot of moisture on the road, and I just wanna make sure that it doesn't rot, you know, while we're driving. Good morning, guys. Working on this door and got everything sealed up, including this back piece. And then pretty much right now I'm fitting the pieces together, just dry fitting them, and then I'm gonna start tacking them down with some finish nails and a little bit of glue. Off to Home Depot, had to get some screws for just to mount that metal piece of sheet metal to the back of the door. So we're heading to Home Depot, and we brought Ellie with us. You excited? Holy cow, that was really complicated. So much harder than I thought it was going to be. So we ended up not going with the piano hinges and just going with like normal hinges. And this is what it's looking like. Definitely not perfect. But, you know, Rachel and I just kind of keep telling ourselves that, you know, our imperfections make this bus us. You know, we're not professionals, but yeah, you know, there's boards that aren't even or gaps and, you know, but every little thing, you know, that makes it us, and that'll be just a constant reminder to ourselves that we built this thing, and that's, you know, pretty cool to us. We're matching. We got our doors all finished up. I threw some latches on. They were kind of a pain, but like the doors, I just started with one, kind of made a template and then did the rest. We will be able to lift them up, and we're gonna put some like little latches here and then on the bus, and then we will be able to lift them up into tables. We actually got that idea from Meredith and Paco. Definitely go show them some love because they're amazing and we use their videos all the time for help. So, but yeah, that is what they look like. We got the other two on the other side, and then we threw like a weather seal strip behind so that the water can't get through. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's video. Yeah, we'll see you next week, but I'm definitely gonna try and get on like a more consistent schedule, so that a way, I don't know, maybe pick a day of the week that we actually post all these videos, so that way you know when to expect it. So many other projects are happening in the bus, so stay tuned for next week, and we will show you what's been going on. Thanks, guys.